What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to talk about Cardano, the cryptocurrency. Cardano is trending and is ranked the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Cardano enables payments, smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized finance, and tons of other features. So I wanted to do some technical analysis and see where the price could be headed next. So let's take a look. So if we jump over to CoinMarketCap, you can see Cardano is ranked number 3 with a current price of 220 and over 70 billion in market value. And there is over 32 billion ADA coins in circulation. And if you wanted to know more information, you can click inside and it'll give you chart history, information about the coin, where you can purchase ADA coin, including Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and some current headlines regarding the ADA crypto. And there's also a list of other coins people like to watch and research. So now you're probably wondering, what is Cardano? So let's jump over to Coinbase and look at Coinbase's definition of Cardano. Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's designed to be next-gen evolution of the Ethereum idea, with a blockchain that's flexible, sustainable, and scalable platform for running smart contracts, which allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance app, new crypto tokens, games, and more. Much like the Ethereum blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ETH, the Cardano blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ADA, which can be bought or sold via exchanges like Coinbase. Today, ADA can be used to store value, perhaps as part of your investment portfolio, to send and receive payments, and for staking and paying transaction fees on the Cardano network. So if you don't know what staking is, I do have a separate video explaining what staking is. Essentially, staking is providing your coins to the native blockchain it falls under and being rewarded for this participation. You receive a dividend in Cardano for being part of the transaction process. It's a great way to earn passive income. So how does Cardano work? Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, as opposed to the energy-intensive proof-of-work system that's currently used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is also moving to a proof-of-stake system via the ETH2 upgrade. So in that same staking video I mentioned earlier, I do have examples of what the difference is between proof-of-work versus proof-of-stake. And Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform. So now if we jump over to Coindesk, this is one of my favorite websites. You can give you real-time analytics behind the coin and give you some insightful data points regarding use cases, transactions, market sentiment, social media buzz, and a lot more. Here you can see a chart. The total supply is 32 billion with a max supply of 45 billion. Here's some market analysis. The 6-month return of Cardano has been over 83%, and the 1-year return rate is over 2,000%. If you bought this exactly a year ago, your investment would be up over 2,000%, which is insane. Here we see the number of transactions, and the 7-day average of Cardano transactions on the blockchain is currently over 32,000 per week. Here we see some social analysts, some Twitter sentiment. We're currently between positive to neutral sentiment, and even our search trends. We have seen a plateau here regarding Cardano, the blockchain search trends on Google. And towards the bottom, we can find other Cardano related news and headlines. Crypto funds draw 90 million in new money as confidence returns. Here's one headline: Cardano's commercial arm to invest 100 million in DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain education. A dedicated operation will commence next year to further DeFi, NFT solutions, and blockchain education efforts. So as you can see, a lot of institutional investors are piling in this name. The current price point does not reflect where the price could be headed next. So I wanted to dive deeper and take a look at some technical analysis. Let's jump over to TradingView. So here we have the daily chart, and as you can see, Cardano has been on a nice trajectory upward, a nice move up. We did get a giant gap up between August into September, and we did hit our all-time high here of roughly $3.10. So now if we zoom in here, I am seeing an ascending wedge pattern forming. So we grab our trend line tool, we can draw our support line down here. This would act as support, and above our upper trend line would act as resistance. So as you can see, there is a tight squeeze forming within Cardano, and typically when this happens, the squeeze will get so tight that the price would want to break out to the upside. Given that there's a lot of positive news for Cardano in the next coming weeks, I do expect Cardano to break out from this price point and revisit its all-time highs and potentially push past the $3 mark into the 4, the 6, the 9, and beyond dollar price point. So let's draw some Fibonacci retracement zones in order to get a better macro view of where the price could be potentially headed next. And just to illustrate for you on the support line, every time it touches support, the price bounces and continues upward, touches support and bounces, support and bounce, support and bounce. And conversely, on the resistance line, touches resistance and gets rejected, and over here touches resistance and gets rejected. So now what you want to do is zoom back out, and you want to grab your Fib retracement tool. So your first anchor would be the lowest point of the price, which is down here, and you want to stretch out your anchor and drop your second anchor at the highest point of the coin that was made a few weeks ago. Here, you can drop there. Great, and as you can see, Cardano is currently trending in this zone, and that is between the 61% zone and the 78% zone. So once it's able to break through the 78% zone here, it'll push higher and continue into the 100% zone here and revisit its previous all-time highs, which is roughly $3.09. Now beyond that, we can draw some Fibonacci extensions to see where the price could be headed after that. Next, so we scroll higher, and our next Fibonacci retracement zone is the 127% zone. That's a price target of $3.90. And if it's able to break through that, our next zone is the 161% zone. And that's a price target of $4.92. And if we push through that, we can finally approach the 216% zone, and that is a price target of $7.88. So I do expect volatility along the way. I don't expect Cardano to rally in a straight line upward. I do expect a lot of sideways to up and down movement. Keep in mind, crypto in general tends to be very volatile, but there has been a lot of newfound interest from institutions piling into this space. So that is what is currently pumping the price higher. So I do expect Cardano to reach these price targets within the next couple of months, well into 2022. And I do recommend this as a long-term buy and hold. It can be difficult sometimes to day trade this name just because it trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in markets across the world. I am bullish on this name. I love what Cardano's working on. There's a reason they're ranked number 3 worldwide, and there's a lot of promising projects in the pipeline. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.